Hello, welcome in the weekly development update video where I'm talking about the lectures and the features I have added into the Ethereum and Solidity development course. Okay, so let's take a look at what lectures are added into the course, what features I was working on today. So in the last video, I was explaining how you can purchase the course in the marketplace for Ether. Let's purchase it one more time. So we'll purchase, let's say, this course Next.js. I'm currently in a MetaMask. I'm with the account 2. Okay, I'll click here to the this. I will leave here the default price. I'll place here email, test email. I'll accept the terms and I will submit. This will open the MetaMask. I will input the data. Okay, confirm. The course has been purchased. Okay, some details we are not handling yet, but the course is definitely purchased. So when I will go to my private blockchain contracts, I can see that there will be 6 courses purchased because I already purchased 5 in the previous video. Okay, so when I will go back here and I will go to my courses, that's the features I was adding today. Now you can preview here all the courses that the currently logged in user, the MetaMask, has purchased before. So that should be 6 courses. And you can see the last one is the one I have just purchased right now. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courses I have purchased for Ether. When I will log in for the other user, I have also 1 course I have purchased with the account 3. I will go to account 3. This will immediately change, and I have here only 1 course. Of course, some UX improvements I'm not handling yet. I will actually display here loader when I'm switching between the accounts. So there should be some loader, so it's nicer, some transition, but that's for later. Okay, that was the one thing I've been working on, and also I was working on the responsiveness of the page. So when I will make the page smaller, it will look also good on the mobile devices and small screens. For example, when I will go to smaller sizes, you can see the card will completely change the design, and it looks also good on the smaller screen. Also, this ETH bar, which is displaying the current price, which is updated at the real time, also it looks much better now. And also the header up here. Okay, so that was the changes. And then we have here manage courses. Manage courses doesn't work yet. I will be working on this in the next week, and I will be adding lectures for filtering of the courses and searching for the course and accepting the courses. From the code perspective, I've added lots of components and new hook functions. I will show you some of the hook functions. These ones are just abstractions. Here we have a provider web3 hooks, and here that's the function responsible to fetch from the contract the courses the user is the owner of. Okay, guys, so I'm explaining all of this in the lectures on academy.lineco.com. I am repeating it every video, but yeah, I'm currently working on the course. It will be, actually, there is like maybe 70 lectures left, 70 lectures, and it's done. And today I will be adding 10 or 15 more lectures and 2 hours of content. So guys, that's gonna be it, and see you around. Cheers.